Okay, so first of all, we're gonna try to break this question down. We're gonna try to break it down into two parts. First part um, is when playing teams in its own division, so own division, and then the other case is other division. So own division would be okay. So there are 6 teams within a division. So this would be having 6 people, 6 letters, for example, and picking out 2 each because each pair plays against each other. So n would be equal to 6 and r equal to 2, and it's NCR because the order does not matter in which you pick them. So it's 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 6 minus 2 factorial. So that's 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 4 factorial. And then this is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is equal to 2 times 1. And this is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So this cancels. And then that becomes 30 over 2. So that's 15. So 15 different ways to pair 2 teams if you pick 2 teams out of 6 teams. Note that there are 2 divisions, and there also says each of the other teams in the division are played twice. So 15 pairs play twice, 2 times. So that's equal to 30 plays within a division. And then there's 2 divisions, so there's 2 divisions. So that times 30, so that's 60 plays within people's own divisions. So now playing with the other division. So I want to set up a sort of, I guess, a dot sort of thing. Okay. So let's say this is of the first division. I'm going to call this division A and division B. So each player from team from division A can play the other team once. So that is a branching from here. So that's 6 right there. So as of what we realized, this is going to take forever if we just keep branching from one side to the other, right? Because that's not efficient at all. So we're going to find a shorter way to do it, and we're going to use the principles that we learned before. So first of all, we need a team from team A, from division A, and we need a team from division B. And we want the number of ways to do the event A, which is getting a team from division A, and event B, which is getting a team from division B. So that reminds us of the multiplication principle because, this event and that event. So you multiply the 2 of them. The number of ways to get a team from division A is 6, right? Because there's 6 teams. Number of ways to get a team from division B is also 6 because there's 6 teams. So there's 36 ways of finding, of having game between 2 teams, one from division A and one from division B. So indeed, if we add the 2 of them, so we add 60 plus 36 because there are different cases. One is playing within divisions and playing outside of divisions, so you get 96 is your total. Okay. Next question. The middle school 8 basketball conference has 8 teams. Every season, each team plays every other conference team twice, and each team also plays 4 games against non-conference opponents. What is the total number of games in a season involving middle school 8 teams? So this is similar to the last question. So maybe take the learning that you got from the last question and apply it over here.